is your hometown? This is your hometown?
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense. Taking a look at everybody here, you look just like them. You look like a bum. Oh, we're gonna go. Hold your horses, pal. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna have a wrestling match. Don't worry. I just wanted to say this really quick. I was peeking through the curtain as the show was going on, and I noticed a lot of little kids here in the crowd today. A lot of kids here. I hope the kids are having fun. I genuinely do. I just want all the parents to know, keep your kids in their seats when I'm wrestling. I don't want to see these little idiots, these little miscreants running around while I'm doing my thing. I'm an international superstar, and I'm right here in Sparta, New Jersey. So these kids, that's right, you and you and you, little girl, go find your parents and sit down. You boo me, I'm doing it for their safety. I'm protecting your kids better than you are. Tell them to sit down, or I'll hit each and every one of them with my signature move, because nobody's exempt.
Come on, take the damn vest off. Let's go.
I'll take my vest off, and I'm sure a lot of the moms here want to see me do that too. So you want to get the match going? Let's get the match going.
Someone's got to take the vest now. That's how this works. Someone takes the vest.
You are fat. Who are you voting for?
Sit your asses down. You guys too dumb to clap! You guys too dumb to clap!
You're urinating. You're throwing yourself in it.
Just so you know, I'll strike whenever I want.
Shut up!
Yeah, shut up.
No! No!
Ask him!
No!
No.
Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Help!
Just give up!
Signature move, that's a disqualification. I'll send you right to the back. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. I'll get the hell out of my way. Go! Hey, what is that? Go!
That's not the way this was supposed to go. This was supposed to be a special occasion for me. Today means a lot to me. This show, it means a lot to me. And listen, maybe I'm sorry for the way I acted, but on a real note, on a very real note, one of my dear friends is from right here in Sparta, New Jersey. He's a Sparta high school legend. He's a member of the Sparta Police Department. This is very real. Sparta Police Department. We played college football together 15 years ago, if you can believe that. I want to bring him in the ring right now. He loves professional wrestling. I love that he's here. I don't know where he's sitting. If we can get Tom Hurd. Tom Hurd, Sparta police officer, Sparta High School alumni, one of the best athletes to ever come out of this town. Seriously. Hey, he's wearing the Sparta Police Department shirt right now. He protects this county. He protects you people. He's a hell of a man. I can only be half the man that you are, Tom. I really mean that. And hey, listen. It's been like 15 years since we've seen each other. It's been like we followed each other on socials. But it's been 15 years. Listen, it's you know how I'm doing, seriously. He was the captain of the University of New Haven. He was one of the best players in the conference. I was just a walk-on. He really took a liking to me. We've been friends ever since. He was a good man to me when he didn't have to be, and I'll always appreciate that. But man, the time flies. I mean, 15 years ago we were playing football together, and now I'm a global, international superstar who everybody loves me on Instagram. I get tons of love, people buy my merchandise, and I make my money as a professional wrestler. You're just a cop. I mean, you had so much potential. Look at your height and your size, you're good looking. Well, you used to be a good-looking guy, now your hairline is receding. You know what? Hey, maybe you had one too many donuts in the morning with the forks. You're looking a little puffy. Hey, listen. Don't get too antsy here. We're still friends, but hey, you know what you could do for me as a friend? A real friend move? Why don't you go get your police car, put the sirens on, and give me an escort out of this dumb town, so I never have to come back. Actually, you know what? Let's just take it one step further. You make me sick just looking at you. You make me sick. Can't shut your damn mouth. You make me sick. Just like all these idiots make me sick. Get out of my ring. Get the hell out of my ring. You don't belong in here. You don't put your shirt back on. You look like a fool. You look like an idiot. Now take this microphone before you get struck with a signature move.